Welcome to our Turnbull Custom Guns YouTube channel. Today we have this old single shot Stevens that has a broke off front sight bead. So we're going to drill that out and replace it and get it back to our customer. So the first thing we need to do is get it set up in our milling machine. We need to make sure that our sight bead is top dead center. And we also need to make sure that our drill will be in the center of the V-block. So we're going to get that set up in there and show you how we lined it up. Well, this just got a lot easier. When I hit it with the center drill, the rest of the brass fell out. So we're going to go ahead and find a tap, and we're going to tap it out for our bead and install it. I love it when stuff works out. All right, so here I've got a 540 tap. And since we're all lined up, we're gonna run that through in our mill. Go. All right, now we've got this sight bead installation tool. They make them in different sizes for the different size beads. It's nice for keeping it from marring up the finish. Screw that in there and then back it off. Nice bright one you can see. There you have it. All right, and there's one more step. If you look in there, that's the end of the brass bead. We need to go ahead and just polish that off with some sandpaper. You don't want to use anything too aggressive. I'm gonna wrap a piece of sandpaper around this file. If you have a dowel, that'll be great too. Just happens to be what I have here. There we go. Looks like I need to clean out that corner, huh, Rosie?